Hello and nice to see you again with a new CrocFix video tutorial. So we have here a Samsung Galaxy A05S. And where is the problem? There is a draw unlock pattern, a screen lock. So we don't know the password, the screen lock. So you see the message, you can try again in 30 seconds. And if you try again, it will say again in 1 minute, then in 5 minutes, and then you need to wait 1 hour or more. So there is a basic workaround which we can do to remove this screen lock, and I will show you how. Just keep in mind that after this factory reset, all data on the phone will be gone. So everything, photos and contacts will be lost. So also keep in mind, if you had a Google account in the phone previously, you will need to enter it after the reset. You will need to know the Gmail account and the password. If you don't know it, you will need to search for Galaxy A05S FRP unlock. Alright, so let's go and remove the screen lock now. I just want to say that if it doesn't work for the first time, just be patient and try more times. Try 10 times or even 20 times, because this must work. If you were not able to do it, then you been probably using the wrong key combination or haven't followed all the steps. So what you need to know is that you will need to have an USB-C cable connected to your computer, to your laptop, to your Mac, to your gaming console or to your TV, and that must be powered on. Otherwise it won't work. If you don't have something like this, you can use USB-C earphones or just plug with USB-C to USB-C cable. You can plug this to another phone or to another tablet. So this cable is the key. Just put it in. You don't need any additional software, and because we don't know the password, we can click volume down and the power button to turn off the phone, but this won't actually work because of this. I'm gonna firstly show you, if you get this screen, like a green screen with something, then you haven't pressed the right buttons, because firstly you need to press all 3 buttons here at the same time, volume up, volume down and power button, so all 3 buttons, and you need to hold these 3 buttons together. You keep holding these buttons, and if you by chance pressed the wrong button combinations, then you will see a following screen coming up. Just a moment. So you see the logo, still keep holding all 3 buttons. If this doesn't work, press again all 3 buttons together. Keep holding them. Alright, so if you see this screen here, then you haven't pressed the right buttons, alright? Then you probably pressed more volume up and volume down without power key, or you just pressed the volume down and the power key. That is not correct. So once again, let's go here and press down for cancel. If you see that screen, you press down for cancel, the phone will restart, and then we are going to try again, alright? I want to show you all options to successfully reset. So we just wait that the phone reboots now. After the phone reboots, we will again press all 3 buttons, volume up, volume down and the power button. When the phone restarts, and you will see, then we just keep holding volume up and the power button. We release the volume down button, and when you see the Samsung logo, you release the power key and just keep holding the volume up button. Okay? Okay, firstly, all 3 buttons, waiting, waiting. Okay, the phone restarted, you release the volume down button, you see, okay, once you see the Samsung logo, you release also the power key, but keep holding volume up button. Keep holding volume up, keep holding the volume up button, still keep holding. There we go. Now we are in the recovery menu. You can disconnect the phone. And now you see here the recovery menu. We will go down with the volume down button until we see Vibe Data Factory Reset. We confirm with the power button. And once again it asks us if we are really sure. It will delete all data on the phone. We go down, we are sure, and confirm with the power button. We need to wait a couple of seconds. That's it. Now we just click on Reboot System Now and confirm with the power button. So now the phone will do its work and it will restart to your Android system. And the screen lock is removed. Maybe you will need to enter your Gmail account and password to activate the phone, but the screen lock should be gone. Let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you have any questions, if you want to say thank you, or if you have any other thoughts about this video. Alright, so that's it. Actually, you can use the phone now like it was brand new.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.